Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make chef chicken using polymer clay. So let's get started. We start by molding the egg-shaped body out of the yellow clay. To make a beak, you can use orange clay, shape it, attach it to the body and make a small indent with a needle tool. Next we make eyes out of the brown clay and secure them on. I decided to use pink clay to make the cheeks. For the head, first make the lower then the upper part. After joining them together, we can put it on the chicken's head. After finishing the head, you can make wooden spoon and attach it to the chicken too. Next I made two yellow wings and attached them onto the chicken. You can bake the finished figurine in your oven according to your package's instructions. After the baking, I added 3 layers of gloss varnish to make it super shiny and protected. This is how my finished chef chicken looks like. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more crafty videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!